Hello guys, welcome back to Business Daily, and in today's video I'm going to show you some of the proven ways on how to make money online 2022 in Kenya. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. Before I get started, there are some key factors that you should consider before getting into a certain online business. These factors include potential customers, and if the market of your product is too small, then the chances of making more money are slim. The other factor is time required, and this will depend on how often you're required to work on the certain company. The other factor is cost involved, especially when you're operating an online website. You'll generally have to pay the hosting fee. And the last factor is the skills required. And for you to work successfully online, you'll have to develop specific skills to fit your work. With that being said, here are the best online businesses to start in Kenya in 2022. Number 1, operating an online store. This is one of the best ways to make money online, as you won't have any charges to pay, unlike running a physical shop. Also, the cost of starting is quite minimal depending on the kind of business you want to operate. Some people might opt to buy their products in large quantities, then sell and distribute them on their own, while others prefer to post the products before they can get them, then sell after they receive their clients' orders. With that being said, again, here are some of the best online store ideas you can start. The first one being operating an online clothing store. But make sure you niche down to specific people, because this is a high competition business. You can decide to sell clothes for plus sized people. The other online store you can operate is selling of glasses. This is a low competition business with huge profit. You can also venture into selling baby products or baby accessories, same to car accessories, etc. The other profitable online business you can venture into is affiliate marketing, and this is a very simple online business. Essentially, you promote a product, and if someone buys it, you get a commission. This is repeated every time the person you introduced makes a purchase, so you get to earn with some consistency if you can market well. This is a great way to make some pocket money online, even as a student, because the amount of work required is minimal. The third online business you can start is freelancing, and this is slowly becoming one of the best online businesses out there, with freelancing sites like Fiverr.com and Upwork helping connect entrepreneurs with digital workers all over the world. As a freelancer, you'll get to showcase your skills online and get paid depending on what you can do. And another great thing about freelancing is working hours depend on you. On to the next online business, and this happens to be my favorite. It's called product reviews. This is also another great way to make money online, especially if you have a certain amount of following on your social media platforms. I'm sure you've seen some influencers giving their reviews on certain products. Well, you can also do this if you are wondering how. You can start by niching down to specific products, posting them on a daily basis, and leaving a link of the product on your post so that you can also get a commission. This is what I call killing two birds with one stone, as you'll be getting some sponsorship deals and also getting a commission through affiliate links. You can choose to review almost any online product, but make sure that you are writing about something you honestly think is worth people's time, attention, and money. Also, don't pick online products or services because they pay a lot of commissions online. You need to make sure that you can keep bringing real value online. The fifth online business that you can start is working as a transcriber. And transcription is simply the process of converting a speech or audio into a text format or written document. But it's more than just listening and typing out what you hear. It requires you to focus and pay attention to the very little details. The rates at which you will earn and the frequency of the payment will depend on the platform you're using as well as the client. For a platform like TranscribeMe, For example, you get paid once every week as long as your account has more than 20 USD. That translates to 2000 Kenya shillings and above. Mostly, your earnings will depend on the length of the audio and the complexity and skill level required. Real-time transcription, for example, may earn you more. Transcription and captioning are some of the best ways to make money online in Kenya. There are many platforms that exist, like TranscribeMe and Upwork, that offer numerous job opportunities. The last online business you can start is to work online as a tutor or offer tutor services. And online tutoring is an online business that really is on the rise. After all, there are so many learners all over the world looking for extra help online, and most of them are willing to pay you for your help, so long as you have knowledge of the subject they need help with. You can start by posting the particular subject that most learners have problem with. Then after getting some traction, you will start charging them. Or another alternative is use of a popular online website called Studypool, where tutors and teachers are connected with learners and get paid. With all this being said, which online business do you think you can start? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll gladly reply, and if you have any inquiries, please let me know. I'll keep you posted and keep you updated. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.